Foundation double crochet means that you start making double crochets directly without first making a chain. So it's a chainless foundation. It can be used at the start of a project or when you need to increase stitches in the middle of something you are making. In this here applique motif, it has been used in here to get more stitches at the end of a row. So let's look at how it goes. First, make a slip knot and chain 3. Chain 3. And then a yarn over and starting a double crochet in the ordinary way. And I'm using American crochet terms, so it's double crochet. In British terms it's treble. And you insert the hook into the first one of these chain stitches, yarn over and pull through. Normally now you would take a yarn over and pull through 2 if you were making an ordinary double crochet, but here we only pull through the first one, like that. And this actually forms like the chain at the start of it. And then we finish off the double crochet normally. Pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again, yarn over, and now I'm inserting the hook through both of these sides of this stitch at the bottom that we just made. Take a yarn over and pull the yarn through. And again we are doing the same thing, taking a yarn over and pulling through just one stitch. And then finishing off the double crochet. So now you are starting to see how it works. We are actually making the chain and the first row of double crochets at the same time. I'll do it again. Yarn over, hook through both sides of the stitch at the bottom here, yarn over and through that stitch, yarn over and through one of the loops just, and then finishing off through 2 and through 2. And this is how you continue. You just repeat this same. I'll make one more here. Yarn over, hook into both of these loops, like this here. And you continue like this until it's as long as it needs to be. And then let's look at the situation where we need to continue a row and we don't have any chain stitches. So I'm going to continue this directly forward here. Yarn over and then insert the hook into the base of the previous double crochet. Take a yarn over and pull through. And yarn over, and again here we pull through just one. So this is otherwise exactly the same as what we just did, except that we don't start with the 3 chain because we already have what we are starting from. And now finishing off the double crochet. So here's one, and I'll do another one. Now through these 2 loops that we just made here, and yarn through there, yarn over through the first loop, yarn over through 2 and through 2. So it's beginning to grow again. Now we have 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'll make one more. Here. So I trust that this will be useful for you. I use it a lot. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do that now. And there's also a video about foundation single crochet, and I'm adding the link to that one.